In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review sales analytics on WordPress.com. Whether you're running a blog, a small business website, or an e-commerce platform, understanding your site's analytics is crucial to tailoring your content and marketing strategies effectively. Let's dive in and guide you through the simple steps to access and utilize your WordPress.com analytics for improved performance. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you can access all the different features and settings you need. Once you're logged into your WordPress account, navigate to the dashboard. Feel free to familiarize yourself with this area, if you haven't already, as it's where you'll manage your site's content and settings. Next, within your dashboard sidebar, look for the Stats section. Clicking on this will bring you to an overview of your website's performance statistics. It's here that you'll get a snapshot of how your site is doing in terms of visitor numbers and user engagement. The Stats section is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for you to understand even if you're new to WordPress or website analytics in general. After accessing the Stats section, your next step is to click on Traffic. This option will provide you with detailed insights into the number of visitors your website has attracted over time, including information on the days and times when your site is most popular. This data is invaluable for planning your content schedule and marketing initiatives, as you'll be able to identify the peak times for audience engagement. Following the review of your site's traffic, it's time to delve into Insights. Clicking on Insights within the Stats section offers a comprehensive view of your site's performance and growth metrics. Here, you can explore additional analytics, such as search queries that bring visitors to your site, referrers, and your most popular content. Another useful feature to explore is your site's subscribers. By clicking on Subscribers, you're taken to a page that shows the number of people following your site, as well as their engagement trends. This insight is crucial for understanding the reach and influence of your content among the audience you intend to reach. Finally, remember that the Stats section as a whole allows you to get a full analysis of your site's performance. Consistently reviewing and interpreting this data enables you to make informed decisions about content creation, promotional strategies, and site improvements. As you become more familiar with these tools, you'll find that they play a pivotal role in the successful management and growth of your online presence. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective approach to reviewing your sales analytics on WordPress.com. Keep these steps as part of your routine to ensure you're making data-informed decisions for your site. Thanks for joining today, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.